Hi and welcome to Everyday Cocktails. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the Brandy Citrus. So the Brandy Citrus has four main elements, the first being the brandy, of course. Today we're using a small family house cognac called Prunier, which is a very mellow tasting cognac. From there we have our lemon sugar syrup. Again, if you don't know about making flavoured sugar syrups, see our previous video. Very easy to make. We have then 1 ounce of lemon juice, and we top it off with our soda water. So let's get going. First of all, we take our 2 ounces of cognac, brandy, whichever you prefer. Goes into our shaker. We then have 1 ounce of the lemon sugar syrup. This is why it needs a shaker, because the sugar syrup is quite thick. Then we have our 1 ounce of lemon juice. And we give that a good shake. We then have our pre-chilled glass. We pour in our mixture, enough for two, and top it off with soda water. So we give that a stir. Add a lemon garnish, and there you have it, the Brandy Citrus. Perfect for those summer evenings.